Now, answering your questions about the law and legal issues. This is Legal Break with attorney Gary Bruce.
Welcome in. I'm Taylor Kincaid, and joining me is Gary Bruce.
Good morning.
We're glad you're here.
Thank you. It's good to be here.
We have a question for you today. The practice of law, how have we seen that change since COVID?
Yeah, I've thought about this a lot, and because we're 5 years past COVID now, so I'm not sure it's COVID that changed things or the internet that changed things or technology, because it's changing every day. We're seeing AI involved now in the practice of law, helping correlate and compile and organize things, which is just transposing depositions can be done in real time. Phone calls can be reduced to a transcript immediately. We do things on television, this Zoom and Teams meetings and all that. We're even using that in the courtroom, and we're using it. I've had hearings with judges, since COVID that way. That's where I really see it change, is the communication not having to be in person with a court. So I don't think that's necessarily good, but it is efficient for a lot of people. And I kind of resent it because I don't try and go to Atlanta, but these Atlanta lawyers want to do everything by Zoom. It's like, come on down, But anyway, they don't want to. So I'd rather be in person. They want to do things on television. I think doing a deposition by Zoom is a waste of time. I like to be there, and I like to be able to feel the energy of the room. I think that's all part of it. On a screen, it just doesn't translate the same. But that's part of the new law. So that and remote kind of signing things is probably the biggest changes.
And what direct changes have you seen with your practice?
I think it has to do with communication. We are able to, and the clients expect it more. Texting, which I do, but I despise it in the practice of law. Interviewing people on Zoom, I despise, but it's part of it. It's really the communication. And how we're able to reach out and be in part of people's lives quicker with more information. So I think that's just part of the new America.
Yeah.
So that's part of what people expect, and so we all do it. We're all glued to these darn phones, So I know if I send a text to somebody, they got it. They can say they didn't get my phone message or something, but I know when they get a message now,
Yeah.
So there's really no excuses for it. So it's helped somewhat in that respect, but it's about communication.
And makes everything more instant. So do you see that things are working a little bit faster?
No.
No, it's not really helping in that aspect.
We're still human beings,
Yeah. Well, thank you so much for that great information, and we'll see you all on the next Legal Break.